October yi ye nua ba ne se ni din wo flyer so on ti ase obi a mo na mane on na mo an tie na ne fans e ka kire ne se na na grada de na e flyer on ti ase nti no oba bonte be kire se on pe na grada adamfo e de be nti no de na kwakwa e flyer na bere bi atwam na sem bi e ba ye se de na grada kan no wa mpe ne bo anyo so e de e ba ne se nti ne de oba ba kan asem ordinary kwakwa flyer anya ne de kra okay ono so akire na nwene bebe second for tiase say Joyce Blessing ade a waye ne no e wo se odi kan gu nkotodwe e wo ne Nyankopon anim na opa ne Nyankopon chew na osere bone fache free na wura de Nyankopon wo de be ti na meka sa I say she has not been real to herself. I say Joyce Blessing person obeka no kra wo kwan bi so anya se na grada mo sorry ya no tam Joyce Blessing say Ghana man you know na ho ofe Ghana gospel musicians you know on the 21 near Japan wa ya de crossing Ghana and Hamilton they say on the current wo gina so amanfo boni din bi no keka ka ho but I said na say on na gigi award wa so be what the din say yeah gospel is talking OPSC Esther gospel is talking Christian Love gospel is talking yeah mami obo oh mami obo mon komani na me tamachi ademani anyajima oh sa we say oh mami oh flyer ne so kra oh ni mu ye du kakra bi sa yeah Selina Boateng yes Selina Boateng yeah mami Cecilia Manfo just name them hello Inshaba Betty brother Sami just name them and a gospel nyina chamai wo fire sapon Joyce Blessing person che say o so important as in sa dignities we say nyina obi enu o challenge no but say Joyce Blessing ti ase say Joyce say na grada be kan nipa wo Joyce Blessing one time when you be so unim sa de bra no wa komu na onyankoro no na ne koba Joyce Blessing unim utrim pefe say na grada bra no ye konfo no oni na ye bi pen ena man grada me be yi nsem aguo kakra bi me nko deep Joyce Blessing ni na grada pen beti asem na me kan omo beti ase wo a won chen abeti ase wo ti ase a thumbs up for you ye nua ba Joyce bra na grada wa komu no one time wo ana Joyce Blessing say na sem e ba ya na grada ko kan bi no wo kama na ye de na me tie Joyce Blessing say sem wo kan sem bi na o kan na me yam shebe ana me say is Joyce Blessing serious or she's joking what do I say mo kan me ma me di wachi ana wo kire bi sofo ade ne nam kwa no ye wa usi good animu ase ye nyina ye hu bi Joyce Blessing o kan sa asem we say ya na we are very hypocrite on kan correct o ya man nsema ukuru onu ukuru wa de agu ye nsema ukuru ene girl na no obo am no ensema o ka omo ka fa wo ya ma nipa bi beti enti Joyce Blessing na ni social media na hu say sofo owusu bempa ene ne nkwada no mu di na grada atem na sabi no ani afi anase ne abu ne agu aso Joyce Blessing what is asem na dey reference na mu say Joyce Blessing we nipa pone for pa so what is asem ne excuse eka say ye nyina tia me say sofo a woni ni di agro gu abegu n'animu ase say Joyce Blessing otimi bie wa no ka sa asem we say ya Joyce Blessing wo ye nipa pone for ankasa wo say nipa suro wa ankasa pa utiri mo odene enti Joyce Blessing uni Ghana ana sofo osu be mpan koda nkitinkiti eti tuo ene mabane na de ne sekan ekọ ma mi fie say ye kwa kokuno na ni ho enkwada beti tuo life and the funny face cry yes o mental issue kakra o ti to yes o nkwada 1 month yes o nkwada 6 weeks 1 month 2 weeks on nkwada 6 weeks yo mi afa kwa hwe na dwenim onu kwa na obi enim so o mental record o mental issue tan record so no na how much more asofo asabe obukura Bible 24/7 a obi enim so mo modam abetwi tuo ade kwakọ po ba besia And now some by ya just bless one bit now say. Yenimini only one down for software cry, as some by and obey the social media. Just blessing. We are the pap pony for now 3 more thing. Now wouldn't tie. We are not chum. Ha! What the software also about person will say about pray draw. Just blessing. Sister, die. We have a mega Joyce, we have mega. Nani have a crown say, San Cramine for and Cramine be no with you a china say, Oman a clamam. And Cramine Mobi, Mammy Gege, na pronoun. Woman, at this of force and Papa and you and I want to. Oman at this of force and Papa and you. If you don't know, I'm telling you. It is also Passa Ubabia. You're poor in the wood. Now, upon your person fast on the kitchen town seminal. And yes, I do see how we and I bet me bring it down and I got out. In the first place, Yadawasi. Sir, a year that first night, before that first night, all white affair, party at Ecoso, our Las Vegas, our waiter, West Hills Mall, New Botiano area, Hono. That first night, you left 4 p.m. Out to my dear Shasiano. Yet there's a store of home to my mind. What be a program and so me and Yanti, and no quantity idea said that amount. And you want to send an agad our time or they never responded to you. She don't have time. And you want to send an agad there to camera. And the Baba seen and you say, or Baba responded to one summer or kind of way who say, or be our name for Dakasa, what target? One name for Dakasa, I'm a what target? What trade you back here? What is the man for voice? So I don't know God they didn't come up. What he said, Cecilia man for voice and so Edna background. I will say, Ebia, or no so Casa with you only a Kadaba put in a phone so. Now, not so this is Cecilia man for Casa. I'm also one is Cecilia Caso. What they are, or no quan or body between our fine. I don't know the question and I got. Then to one man, I just see a tam, a tam or picture, or one fell the whole Ghana. One I took gospel, one found one corner yepa, and your tam or picture toast. Ya carry and now, ya dear penny a tam ye, and cow joys blessing Cabacon. Huh? And Cabacon what to. When in Quadaya didn't come on what price, I'm a cost 3,000. I fed your babontia. O Freya Casse, and no one in America Sayano. Our said, Ma, a what the Amemano. That ends it all. Social media, I bet you I bet you chose me another day. And just blessing. Social media, Opaya. I feel what's some bassa about church. I will say, Yantia, the Awokano, Yanga, Jay, Catray. Also, sometimes I am more predator. Just blessing. Sometimes more predator. Yawi Obaka say, Ebia, broken heart, Anna, 80 into you. I'm a way away. Nana Gradano, there be our ponium. Nancy, I will let us see Abbey. Mammy, so I get a video. I don't want to stop on some more. I don't want kind channel. I want to be on Instagram. But Mammy, one pound on it. What year they go yet? I know Baba can't be. No, what can't be an impocrat, Mammy. I never upon the pan and anymore. And to call when you be a doing pack dog. I can't boast or some channel. We are audio. Can't boast or some channel. Or send any text message. Can't boast or some channel. And the poker will find us in the I check. And will be a grant and once. So I want to go to Dan no ko interview o YouTube a Beku Santana Ebusaka wa na hyew o kire mu ama o ti ni suo nyina enu pokura wo to wani mo obusa question ma we confused. And are you telling me say next time say YouTube for free interview on kwana mama again abba Joyce blessing again adia ba na perfect na gada ho Ghana for me and kind of crow. As someone Joyce blessing can me who say o free baby neighbor any asophobia you be say price at Joyce blessing what you say now what Jeffrey man me ho you double ya double let me end that let oh my goodness okay Joyce blessing let me ask you a question Joyce me be so asembio maybe so asem keke just a question I had a question asophobia a double sika we say obedi na grad ahoro no and the question asophobia double sika na ma say you 2 times of your agrada de bema bra betwa video na betwa na no pay no fa san fa car to ne TSS karma no kwesa question na me bisa wo aya no kwesa asofo bia ka cho say sika agrada abeje no they will pay twice of that amount say video beto abontema wiase man say nyina hu say sa show the nyanti a opepa just to discredit the show. But you've got it wrong. Rather, what promote to show no? Me besides I no question. Asophobia mausika say. Jesus ka we say nyagada betua no. Ye be ma 2 times of that money. Brabonte be kase. Abeye de obeye na no pay. Sa video na utwan. Video na utwan na no pay. Kwa na menye so say wa ho wani. Na onante ti wani so papa. Sister Joy is blessing. The person power. In town, but I don't want many pay you shoe. I don't want many pay you shoe. Gospel, I feel now offer bank account. What did you own your dean ye? What did you go here? Didn't send some baba ye a bring you down until my uncle from the cafe and who pay your bank account. Now, Namini pa, walk auto gospel. I would get to me say, oh, gospel now to the 8th moon seminar. And now, when you want to know, Boniface, and Sister Joy is blessing, Boniface. I Namini pa, what told you when they sat in Nipa, also a black and one sem. What do you go? Well, no corner when the voice back to a bontin. Nana Gada Mamma will fear my two voice here to a bontin. Oh, no corner man control. Our problem is here in Yakobi Muda. A bar, I was so control. I never be a Tina Casa. I never be a flow interview to make Casa. And to voice a better Montina, I did here. My minister, I don't know. What fun or Cambia? What they are telling me, I'm using Pocra as I couldn't go. My minister for the BH Master was one of my friends. God's blessing, Kautrimo. Kautrim said, when in an Akada, I was sick to be a Piabontia, a disqualified. Being a gospel musician. Tell me if I'm lying. Brano I conforno. Joyce bless him. Aman Karo Neka say. Me say me catch us me kasa de me say me say. Joyce blessing. One in a grada I was secret to be between you guys. Brano I conforno is kagerino. One in a grada I was secret to be a Piabontin and a home video Piabontin. Joyce blessing, a bit disqualified being a gospel musician. Tell me Amankado is lying. Me mommy Timon Kahin too so. Between Mamma Gadano. Brano e conform. Oh, so true. A dear bad in a man copani, Tawanajo, and I do a good year be a course war. A secret cashier. I want in an Agadatum. It involves 3 people, 1 man, 2 women. Joyce blessing, Amankado Nekasano. Okay, you now cast and some ways here. A dear man, a chest and an ankada, a town. And Cabra no wa comuna in the Tokana Udina Temno. Satan and commit me the side in the good once. And so Katasi. I'm talking about John Twabina and the coffee. Any before and I do and you may be a seer. Any I don't know. Let me end it that way. Joyce blessing. I don't know, Obin town, Obin true. Now, Pastor China, so ya said the panic town. Joyce, and your matam for Yawati. Well, sir, and then another grad on Paso Basso so on Kasai. Mepawasam, Yachina, what I Casatana Panichawa said, Nana Castle, Yasro, your Joyce and Obian saying it. But luckily said, Gan of White, Ginaquati, but Brenoir support to Mamino, everything I come in my minute down. Joyce, Mr. When you're first and last. Oh, yeah, dear, I said, Nana, glad I wouldn't know secrets. Gantua crack or our castle, Brano conform. I have big secret here, a disqualified, being a gospel musician. If you don't know, this is unpredictable among crowd. Brano Wacom, one facade name with most. Huh? Brano Wacom, one facade name who any more Joyce blessing. Nana, glad I'm facade name who any more Brano Wacom. Why now? And now what for me? Also on Panadam for. Nana God that was some country said, Sadia what for me? Brano Wakomu. Now Panasem. na timine ketri musam ema sa secret kakaka we say bra na wo nyame mu no no wakom mu utimi ba ne na ase ema munya secret entam kase beto mu mienu ntam no oso ogina sa de ne so kase wo ya die nyame mu wo ye ni nua ɔne de onpo oso wa fa nyame a wa kwan bia so ba bi ogina bia ro bo so agina ho bi etiti ase ye ti ase sa Joy's blessing as simple as ABCD. Only na God that was secret. More tiny what it ya. Some more very top secret. You know. A pia bontia say a kabeti magu animu as kabegu ho fi pa. Secret ultimate new home free ne etimi new home free mo tena. Ultimate new home free mo ne ultimate new home free mo tena. Ada no o akom wan fa asem na ngu animu as. Bra o kan ntokwa wan keka asem na ngu abonte o kan so a wonu say kan timi challenge wo ho. Evidence is there. Video evidence is there. Say ultimate cha ho ntro. Wan timi fa sa de na ngu animu as enne o kan asem make reference ya. Ya odi ye sofo bi sofo ya wadamfo ubeku de nimu asena bra na sofo ne de nkoda ati ne fie edi na temos edi ni kasre tem ne blessing no ani afra ana no aso asi bra na sofo no edi ni kasre tem no ani afra ne nkoda edi ni kasre tem no ani afra na se no aso asi ada na otia waso kasem sa we tell it all say you hate na God that for nothing but on town so town ana so proponia anka nsema kase ni sikita kase ya dam momi ensentem no anka na kode be asemoka de okọ hu dwanto no eno ana kode be asemaka ne agu hu fi ase udini na wafa nyame ana be kase otan wo choice blessing sam kakra ya makan fa kwa dwendwin na hunu se maame no on town choice blessing na almighty ya sapon what yet musu oba be tonyo 31st night before the 31st night all white affair almighty ya sapon atia tumi so oba betonyo mu a one maami ti we ba betonyo choice blessing say wo wa ma e de be na asesa sisila man for ba wo wa ma just name eriko mu nyina twetwa brother some mu nyina twetwa say wo wa ma ade aba ni social media say wo ma simple no akwa no to ma e be gina social media e me play victim role for people to hate na na grada da bi yanya sa sister. What a big mistake. When the can friend back to us, man, what I mean to me, mo. Fine, what you see a chat. Number saw camera. Eba ya, never by touching someone who seek it a cassia, never pony walk a catch or men can some crop, but all the way who has some crop, ticket your dad and another than them. Nigga and came Piamonte. Obama man for can give a break, no man for speculating, but you caused it. Joyce, why a gospel musician? Sasatawale crown or hip laugh artisan. Sasatawale, what they need echo flyer so no nya way. Nasu who sabe. Oh my check camera made or no kind of back door. How much more a whole gospel musician? Ghana for Mohemi. Mommy and kind of crave how to say. Sawa party, ya support him and me 2 hours. Not just blessing on him. One I bet you should. Oh God. That gospel guys, oba mu da bay. Oba gospel mu da bay a. O person wo ye man, ase wo ye man. Ewiase 10 na grada for what? Ewiase 10 na ewiase wo hu. Sa woni nyonko bi di agro. Edum pompon so bi. Na munya apam odoba montem. Motem ho ase to second level. Asamba ya tobo. Asamba ayatobo. What seven bana obi can be the whole kind of radio stations obi can because we are gospel musician, we are public figure. It was some bana so obi can be national na grad akwa can be or no ko can be into wajana. And God bless it. I be making reference here. What they so for be na downfall. Oya yi ana agu na enimu ase na wura fi sofo no so nkoda ne sofo no amu enim guasiom di gu ma me na nsa ma me ne kra kasa ade na wo yesa stop being hypocrite God bless him. I'm our last question. I am no cressa as of phobia musika, adobo sika. Nana Gada is over Chiamon. I'm about to them 31st night. October 31st year. And the cressa as of phobia double scaramount. And the man bears a video yana. A question of me so. I don't want to go deep. But many as of be fine. I don't want to go deep. I sana, Ebiana Yatism, Ebiana Mancado, Sada Meteno, Ebiana Intesa. One I sound the far home, and the question will be a sophobia was cast at the best idea. I didn't buy a take na brown. Over one mad or more, Madame Mad or more. So I say, Oniko Wankra, Aboyako Wankra, Mamingigi. Omana Asha say no more champion the engine. But be a 3-band crano, a big sauce. I smell a rat. When I heard the news, I smell a rat. My suspect is something fishy is going on. God blessing. Maybe a master make so simple. I mean can't chemun chin quite baby. The away and as a woman I look like I say, what to baby Anna who said what to fly so. But oh away. Fly on your daughter, so oh away. Stop pretending. And yet a gospel musician. And I mean, no being Casa, Onya Madame. When was the last time I got that chin phone, a frail? Christian Love, Nidini, a uniso or broochie. Or Emma Mercy, Nidini, a uniso or broochie. Omuna, they were eager to come. But Omuna come to us to be a man, and to me, yet, and Tina, one whom do a uniso. And to one your privilege, not a newborn again. Yet Thanksgiving or a Thanksgiving party. Na say Joyce blessing ya ton safre wa na ya di odi akwa flyer enne na be hu say flyer na odi wo so Joyce enne na be hu say flyer na enne na hu say ya di what to say flyer no so sister Joyce adwuma bi na ya hye na adi wa na akrofo bi ahye adwuma na omama na di wa na odi anta na nsen wokọ interview abeku Santana toto wa no na wusu we you kawa what dress free fio seka wa ne hyew udu studio wa ye kan ho asema udi su yi free wonsa etu omo fro interview anko biem odon ba yaka odi fa da desen ba yaka oni abeku Santana ba yaka me yeso senya dia no ba yaka na meboa why na agrada ana radio station wa asem ba ye omo kan bibia radio station wa asem ba ye omo nyina session bia kan bibia ro ka chom se mo bia mo onyum sister why you very careful when you say ya we o ma ne toso mienu afa it to get to a time obi any one more we program obe invite you ara na Ghana Christopher ma e bia nya atwom saa a Christian say me ne me nyonko Christian ye ba twema nso akopem se ne besi why I question me npa na busa ho no kwesa asofo obi adobu sika ma o se sheda betwa video na betwa na no pa yi no kore 2 kai se na agrada wo no security a bra na o wakom security a no hye eti so po anim guase anka sa security na nko beto agu abonten amena gu hu fi kona you were involved na ka ho last hour wona di danto ahe den e ko so tum e ko pa ma me ne chew satan na ma me no so tum wona di danto ahe den e ko ya bibia twa aboko moda so na ntese nua eti say okay say security no just blessing it should tell you something. A man can't never say, okay, say secret na. That secret must tell you something. Say, mama, ne wonye ni pabone for. Na oye ni pabone for pel bonia. Anka sadi na nkobeti mi gu ani mu ase. Ora na wawade asemba na okan bi. Ana ono akọ na se osan pe unia. Etu e nyamesum ni pa ana we Kristo ni ma pa. Mama, why do you have to let this thing be a problem as a Christian? What frame mama ne nra. One na di komo phone so say man e de wunti dia member fine what ya say ono wan kontokwa na ade a chen a what sense of video dia beto social media say me fans say mame Facebook one na de buy no na den eno na men na obi aka asem bi o enso ka ye ne boko na omo we yi picture e free flyer ne so a cool udin da udin adadin obi enu wo kan udin ho asem. But where the farmer and cosa and one man loses appear one, watch your cacradia saw and you push you one or make a video. adia we awe Nana Grada and say anything. What promote to a event, you know, rather. Event, you know, what promote to rather. Adiabadi as a Christian. Adiabadi as a Christian. Who here? Ayodo. Joyce Blessing. Who here or do? So Nana Grada you'll be our time one. Me catch us say, aya pam and tam Cassia be a down in Nana Grada anthem. Any mind be a demon tem. A Piamontier Joyce Blessing, it will let you down the rest of your life. As a gospel artist. Adana na grada fasade ani wu ani mu ase. Bra na wakomu. Ne na wafanya me. Won kai biribi. Na won ma me ntina somdue so. Na wo be ma nipa apiepian. Say, ya de ebegu ma me ani mu ase. Ma me na sakra. Okwa kwada nyame ase. Wapa ne ho achi. Wode nyankopon ase. Wakoma na otimuo. A wafiri muo. Aba be fa nyame. Joyce Blessing say one tiase. Obey sadie we say I'm na gune mu ase. Omanfo bobusa say Joyce Blessing. Why now? Fly eto abonte a trendi wo pages ya hodo bebre. Ene after few days na event na do so. It ye said that we say ababetum just to scatter the show, just to make the show unpopular, but rather I make it show no popular. Obe make reference here. Ana sophobia one in your fine. Ana ne odi ye no na media unyame a oba media. Joyce Blessing a hypocrite. Joyce Blessing a fake in a way say. And to Joyce Blessing who can one time anka say oba besia ti di fie awiakete na asofo abukura Bible 24/7. Adi to ne se kan ne maba eto oba besia di fie se ebekunu. Asofo ema chance, sofo ma chance. Ema na sorry for nkwada etene ne fie edi twasre tem editi amami for almost a month na mami nkasa Joyce Blessing ehunu nyina. Guys, when a ball pa and sister Joyce Blessing when a ball pa when a summer war edia na ekoso ene 31st night October 31st night. So yeah, ekoso our Las Vegas. Minim adia abasa ka ba ye na nkese no. Wani tua pa so say flyer yi ye ne ukasa ye. Sofo abi ene wakasa. Am waji atuma ma bargain price. Am na ko 3,000 Ghana cedis. Only free 5,000. And I'm about 25. I'm about 2,500. And I'm kind of say I'm for 500 count and 3,000. I'm the account. And no one out here. I see a man for a voice, you know. I want to brother and another. I said, oh man, I would dear mean to me, Mo. I would dear mean to me, I don't tears you on one contopa. Mebuana, on one co. A two kind of tears, you know. I don't know about so life. What than a blogger now? A life now, Bob on Tibaka, and I gather, mammy be or see a friend of evangelist. And on the show be a way of Joyce Blessing. I don't know about force one and I got a I don't know about force one in Yasem. Because when I saw for be generate ye piano. Hey, mammy, why would you be a dear bad Donna and I got in a diantre entre or reference na wo ye no ade be do na mama ye nyina di antre e ko wi akire be kwede e da ni tuo ne se kantwe an ke kokko na wi akete wo no ani fie enye dam pare ne nkwada da woro ma ke kokko ma na wi akete wo da fi we sei te o time nti na samo da kwa na samo nyede an sister Joyce o time na na grada eti se na samo da kwa na samo nyede because obi ba dwe say ya double sika na we say ma me yes obetua ma no obi a double sika na ma no correct say asofo obi na double sika na ma say da be twasa video just to discredit the whole show. That first night Joe na koso Las Vegas no New Guatemala no West Hills Mall area no say da be bibi never say no e pa ma sha se ambo just to make the show unpopular nyina no eguni pansem. And your man, of course, was someone say, Joyce Blessing. Eba me trust that video. We say 3 days ago. ana say sem no na ebo baba but nipa amfa ne serious ana gada so aman you ani ho anya hwe ni ho bibia ni ho na da ho no Joyce Blessing ade a waye na na fa sua ade obi frɛ wo force no asɛ bi ba no obi frɛ no ka kyerɛ wo so a block no number so the direct number na ma na enye wadwene sɛ bia obepɛ sika gidi ana da ho no Joyce Blessing video betwa na aka bi akyerɛ wa na anybody bi ono menenam ontimi nyini ho anim enti so a block no number no ka sɛ bi akyerɛ wa enka ne sɛ ne number no block ni nti no onyini ana da ho no na God evangelist mama part ana da ho no ana da so ofa boy ni serious wa anka sɛ nyema we sɛ ka tons na ka sɛ ofra Joyce Blessing ka just ma you afri me show no so na ka wa life abɛn so sɛ flyer ba bontia na Joyce Blessing wo mu no me na me de ne to so ya de ne kasa ai sɛ ma yi na film ka Joyce Blessing adwuma we sɛ ka mfa ka wodi nanim kan but offer say oh aman for bu amu pesika amu boki na nipa na wa block ne number wo enti anyi sika no obepe si wo bepe sika so pesika sa offer na some serious and nka wo call sa life no that short time na ka Joyce Blessing video be yi anka ye fake kwanti me kura mabontim ko ka nyuma ne ko send da sometimes I don't get it Joyce Blessing mesre adia wo ye no emwa it's rather making you unpopular, it's rather disgracing your career. Kai bibia mpokura na kai huru say na God aye na dwen so no beko anka montokwa bia munya na underground so wakoka wa ware sem obufu ya wo send message bedidi na tem be ye nema ma me na mu a wo me ne boko no ko obi kwa anka onyum kran ko mo biom your gospel a dirty wo de bebre bet esen wo do wo ma wonti no wo ne hu adwenboni bia nti no da bia wo onyum ade be bia ma me nya wo be da die mu ahunu say ma me wo yiye no pe wa wade asem okoko ka bie no na ope wo yiye Joyce uja wade be 1 year nie 1 year nie enkwada yi ene papa yi ntem ai basa wadwenjene ebe kosoro all the time enti unua ba wode na wade mpokura ye mfato ho de kire wo enti die ba biem no nka no kura sem a oka kire wo se menya wade e ma ne ma nkwa kane nka ko studio anka wedding ring ya na hye nka ba ku santana nka omusa ho asem e ma ne nkodane usu Emma unya frustrated. Studio. Because Kawari. But when the Obia was where the Bian and that's a wedding ring. I could find somebody by up. Emma very uncomfortable in the studio. Tinana got that bonnet way. And he paid the Mamia to Tenkuru by all means just to make her unpopular. In all ways. And you baby, I mean, ya nipa humetono. Nanka uni obinam. Na okura secret ya se obie na no mpokura aka na o kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ de kɔyɛ betima gu ani mu ase asɛ wo career the rest of your life enipa ne nyana je so obɛyɛ niema bi ebegu hu fin na sɛ wodi ni nyasɛm a nti otime ne nso over the back door. Ghanaian friends are not comfortable. Ghana yonko enya kono ya na nyete orofo ensem bia wote na no pay a eye nua ba Joyce Blessing ba bonte ba bekan e kire ne nsem ye say when obi na God that na flyer o onim ho hwe ne nema trodo tradansem trodo tradansem no kura bi anim ne nkoda ne kasa ma ne charge ye ese obaji sei na ene kasa ne nyam no enkomo because so back door omodi nkomo no say Cecilia Mafo is on the bill. Etu onya hu se Cecilia Mafo so se mele bi so ore ne konya problem e o show bi ase eti Cecilia Mafo odem de anya de obeba ana ofre ma me man e o show di a me mma mintimi mo me sorry na wan ne friend today's TV wan na etie ni mu aya o yeduma ma mi nso wani tua pasen enkoda ye ba ye o no kasa ye hwan ya are you telling me say o management na poor obi engage him on a show? You don't do inquiries to know where the show is coming from. Are you telling me that sir, they are not competent enough to know all these things before you jump on a stage? Mami, and to do anoma ho nkyerɛ sɛ ma no ma din ɛnyɛ no saa na no what you anoma hyɛ on some ka kyerɛ sɛ anoma no wu anaso what you say. You want us to answer? No, that is ridiculous. We can't do that. It's your Joyce Blessing. and crofo appear pian ba say braba de oba be no yet de dada but you am funny serious ma me ni mi so onu ni ntoko onu ni asem bia but ask what they say opasa wo ye man biase am say unu say chenchira tia one na agra da wasem na nyame sum pa ni nyame sum gospel musician what is asofo ade a wo ye o gidim boni it's high time say you stay away from such behavior asofo appear pian any sika bi ametete say ya double sika bi man I don't know if that is true. If that is true, I don't know. But say I no kwese ye double sika na God I swear be man no. So for be double on the man just to come and do this video there, mommy. You are disgracing yourself. I don't want to believe that. But if that is true, you are disgracing yourself. Very bad. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. Very, very, very bad. Na ke wi ase de man kanipa nya obone. Asa be na de bi ade ahe no. Brani entuntum nyame a eno so adane ntokwa. The name still remains the unpredictable Amancrado Achim Seche Kwame. Nyame kan ho no nshira o. Evangelist Patricia Odro quarantine for life. 31st night October. A bosso our Las Vegas. Gospel musicians say omo corner omo gina omo na so omo gina stage ate say yes. Enyum na eboyi omo nyina eba. Ofa ya sapone mami tiwa asomafo. Omo representing life and color and many more. Tasa gospel artists one eba na more. It all trend about it. Joy's blessing. Go and come another day. Amancrado, Macro.